Well, today is going to be a fun day in the market. I hope everybody's ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Got a lot going on today. First and foremost, today's FOMC day. So rate decision at 2 p.m. I will be live for that, and I'll stay on for the press conference with Daddy Powell coming out to speak. Right after that, we got Mag 7 earnings today. Tesla, IBM, Microsoft, and who's the other one? There's one other one. Yeah, big stuff today. Lots of things coming out. Lots of big movers in the market. So I'm excited to see how the market's going to react today. Let's do it. We're about a minute away from market open. Once the market opens, we'll talk quickly about what the expectations are today for the FOMC rate decision. A lot of stuff coming out today. So be cautious in the markets today, everyone. All right, be cautious. You could have some wild movements today. Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff coming out. A lot of stuff coming out. Big day today. Big day. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit subscribe. Hit that like button for me. Help me out. Help me reach other people, new people. For those of you that have subscribed to the channel already, thank you. Thank you very much. I truly appreciate it. I have some links in the description down below if you guys want to check that out. And I'm also leaving a link for my free Discord in the comments of this video. So if you guys are looking to find a community that is going to be built around like-minded people that want to help each other grow, learn, and become successful, and then we can help other people do the same thing. That's what my community is going to be about on Discord. So if you guys are interested in that, link is in the comments down below. All right, market open here. I have marked out here, this little pink line is previous day highs, which we pushed below, we tested, and now we're really pushing back down here at market open. Just about reaching pre-market lows. Let's see what the rest of the market's doing so far. Nvidia's back in the red. Starbucks, I didn't read their earnings, but they beat EPS, and they're doing pretty good this morning, up almost 5%. And some of the big players here in the negative. It's going to be an interesting day. Again, use caution. Be careful in the market today. 1, 2, 3 big candles to the downside so far. What are you guys thinking for today? What are your opinions for today as far as what the market's going to be doing? I wouldn't be surprised if we see sideways trading today up until FOMC. And then we have, like I said, we got NAS100 earnings today. After market close, which is right after Daddy Powell speaks. Yeah, so we have Tesla, we have Microsoft, we have IBM. Oh, and Meta. That was the other one. All right, 4 big companies announcing earnings today after market close. So we're going to get our FOMC rate decision, and then we're going to get Daddy Powell speaking at his press conference, and then we're going to get earnings. NAS100 earnings. So let's go. Let's see how the day goes. Day. All right, so while we're waiting for the market to figure itself out here, let's just take a look at expectations for rate decision today, and you'll see there it moved up to a 97.8% chance that we get no cut today. No increase, no cut. It's going to be a hold. All right, 97.8% chance. So the market is expecting the Fed to pause here. Okay, That's the expectation. Now, obviously, if we get something other than what the market is expecting, there's going to be some volatile movement. So I would be careful. I wouldn't be in a trade during that. That would be super risky. And I would for sure let the market figure itself out if you are going to trade afterwards. But just be super mindful that nobody knows really what is going to happen there. So be cautious. All right, where are we at now? Looks like we might be getting a little bit of consolidation here now. We left a little imbalance back here at market open. So I won't be doing anything just yet. I think what I might do is mark out the 15-minute open range. As long as we hold in this area here for another 5 minutes, and I might have to adjust that, but let's just mark it out right now anyway, just to so we can see what we have so far. Let's see, 15 minutes will be here. All right, there's our 15-minute opening range so far. Area of imbalance here. I will be going live today at 1:55 p.m. to get market reaction for the rate decision, and then we'll hang out and wait for Mr. Powell for his press conference. Wow. Looks like I'm gonna have to adjust this. Yeah, we might be continuing to the downside. See if we got any news this morning. Not much. Just waiting to see if this is gonna fill or disrespect. If we're gonna break below the opening range here. So, I mean, so far we're looking at a downtrend for today so far. With market open, pretty decent push down, getting some consolidation here now. Especially if we break below the opening range here, which we are about to do. Nope, not yet. No entries yet. I guess the fun isn't going to start until later today. Alright, let's see if we're going to fill this here and head back to the downside. Okay, so this becomes invalid. We're just testing the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour. Still have no entry here. So basically what I'm looking at now is if we continue to the downside and we break our 15-minute open range, I will wait for a retest, and then if we hold that retest, then I'll look to go short. Opposite of that, if we continue to the upside, I would have to see, probably at this point, a break above the opening range in order to look for longs. But again, I have a strong feeling that we may just be range trading today until we get to our big news at the end of the day, which is FOMC rate decision, and then press conference after that, and then we have those 4 big earnings after market close. Could just be waiting for that. Could just be a sideways kind of trading day today. And that's all right. We'll wait. Just gonna get rid of this here. I already did that. All right, well, we're waiting. Let's do it. Oh, did I hit later? Oops. Let's get rid of this. This one here is still valid for now. Which I would expect, honestly, it to... Well, I mean, maybe not. We'll see. We're just getting consolidation here now. Let me go ahead and just restart this so that the update takes place here. Come on. Nice. All right. Latest version. All right. All right, well, we're waiting here, guys. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Please do that for me. Appreciate it. Those of you that already have, I really, really appreciate you guys. I appreciate the comments and stuff for my videos. I left a link for my Discord. Free Discord in the comments of this video here, and also yesterday's live, and then I have some some links in my description for all my lives, for all the platforms and stuff that I use. Again, this is my challenge account that you guys are watching live through Funder Pro. That's who I use for my challenges. Love them. They are awesome. They just opened up a futures part of their business. Yeah, really good stuff, and they're constantly growing. I use Trade Locker for the actual trading platform for them. It's great. I don't really have any issues with it at all. Updates all the time. Another new company that's rapidly growing. I have links for all of that stuff in the description below if you guys are interested. So we're just waiting here. Again, we're getting some consolidation here now, which, you know, we may continue to just trade in a range here until our big news comes out later today. So let's see how it goes. Again, just for what I'm looking for, I'd have to see a break and close probably either side of the opening range here in order for me to pick that direction and look for either long or short entries, depending on which way it goes. But right now, you know, we look like we're just kind of trading in this range here. We've got some consolidation here. And we left a little area of imbalance back up in here at market open, which I wouldn't expect it to really kind of validate either direction for me, to be honest with you, because even if we break above, I would expect it to at least get back to where market open, the day high after market open, and even then, you know, are we gonna respect that and move back to the other side, or are we gonna go through it? So this area of imbalance here isn't it's not a big factor for me. I'd have to see a break and close above here or break and close below the open range. Otherwise, I think we're just going to be stuck in a range, and that's going to be that. Not super volatile today, a little choppy. Again, some consolidation here, but I think that might be what we get for today until we get to the news later. So markets are expecting a pause today from the Fed. They are not looking for a cut or a increase. So that's the expectation, is that it's like a 97.8% chance of a pause today. So that's what the market is expecting. I would imagine that if we get something other than that, the markets are going to go haywire for a couple seconds here until they can understand why the Fed is doing what they're doing, right? So just be cautious today. If you're in a trade when that happens, be careful. I don't plan on trading the news later. I will be here live, though. I'll be back at 1:55 to capture the market reaction for the Fed rate decision, and then we'll hang out because at 2:30, 30 minutes later, is Mr. Powell's press conference. So we'll hang out for that. I'll have that on live as well, and then we'll go from there. So let's just see what the market is. I'm going to take a quick break, guys, and then I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, and we're back. Still got nothing going on here. We might be looking at a reversal here, but again, means nothing until we break opening range highs there. Slow morning. you're not bored while you're trading, you're not doing it right. Just gotta wait for the opportunity to present itself. I finally ordered a new chair. I gave in. I didn't spend much though. I'm not spending no crazy amount on a chair. But ordered a chair on Amazon. It was supposed to be here today. And now it's not coming till Monday. I hate that. Who else hates that? Why do they tell you something? Like, just don't say it if you don't know when it's coming. Alright? So many junk emails. Oh, hey, look at you. Look at you making moves here. Still not giving anything. So we wait. So we wait. Mm-hmm. Hang out for a couple more minutes, guys, and then I'll call it quits for this live. But again, I'll be back at 1:55 today to capture market reaction live for the FOMC rate decision, and then I will I'll stay on for the press conference, and we'll watch Daddy Powell together and watch the market and see how it reacts to all of that today. And then after that, which I will not be live for the earnings reports afterwards, but just pay attention. So after market close today, we have four big companies, four huge companies, and their earnings today. So Tesla, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta all report earnings today after market close. And I'll just be waiting for, like I said before, a break and close either below or above the opening range here to decide if we might get a direction today before all that data. But honestly, I think we're just going to get some sideways trading today until the news comes out later today. That's typically how these days go anyway. So that's what I'm expecting. You know, I'm going to be super cautious, and if we do get a break to one side or the other, I'll be very cautious and super picky with getting into any trades today. It's got to be something that is just right and something that's going to move quickly, because I will not be hanging around and be in any open positions when the news starts at 2 p.m. today. So that's the plan for today, everyone. A little bit of a boring live this morning. Sorry about that, but hey, we go with the flow, right? All right, so I'll see everybody later today, 1:55. I'll be back on for the news. All right, have a great day, everyone. Stay cautious in the markets today. Talk to you later.